Alright, it's my walk around on my old beast. Last one because she gets rebuilt. A minor little training spill. She's gonna go black and green after this. The old rusty old motor that's about to get redone. Oh, 82 SS Summit billet grill. She body ain't too bad. They get a new door, new fender. I'm about ready to start this project. Hopefully it won't cost me too much. I love that cam that's already in it. Stage 2 cam. $35 is the way I bought it. My two 33s. That's what's up there. My 35s are right there. $75,000 original miles. She's still healthy, but she just still needs redone.